My name is Murgan Modi. I am from Vadodara, Gujarat state, Anand Vidya, India. One day I was watching news in my TV. I found that there is very big earthquake. Also I found that buildings are getting collapsed and people are getting stuck and losing their lives. So I got curious to find out death due to earthquake. After doing some research and analysis, I found this chart. In this, we can clearly see that death due to earthquake is approximate 55%, which is very high. So I checked the data of past 24 years, which is from year 1977 to 2020 to 2000. In this, we can clearly see that death due to earthquake is around 15%, which is very low compared to current 24 years. I got more curious in finding this. So I found this chart which shows the number of deaths due to natural disasters and earthquake. We can clearly see that death due to natural disaster is getting decreased because we enhance our ability to withstand challenges. But except year 2022 and 24, to maintain this progress and prevent setbacks.
Why it is increase?
This increase because this is of year 2010 to 2004, when there is not much facility of very high. There was not very high type
I
of.
compare
Yes.
2021 with 2022 or 2021 with 2023. Why it was increased?
Yes, I am telling them from year 2021 till year 2020 is low because we have developed many robots to prevent deaths. But now again it goes very high. To maintain this progress and prevent setbacks like year 2022 and 2023, we need to make some robots.
Sorry, when you get this data?
From app called One World in Data. I collected many information and made this data.
You must put this website that you collect this data from. Okay?
Okay. Further, I found the events of number of natural disasters and number of earthquakes. In this chart, we can see that number of earthquake is approximate 9% compared to all natural disasters, which is very low. So I was confused that number of death is decreased, number of earthquakes are decreased, but death due to earthquake is getting increased. So further I found analysis and I got this. Majority death is in lower middle income countries and upper middle income countries. That shows us that countries like India does not have much facilities to prevent this, but the countries at high income countries, they have much facilities, so they do not have many deaths like Japan, USA and Germany. Now, what turns a hazard into a disaster? When hazards come, when the exposure of vulnerability and when there is combination of exposure and vulnerability, the hazard converts into disaster. In USA like countries, this one second this represents the area after earthquake. There are majorly three stages. In stage 1, the local people find out the problem and places and rescue them who are injured. In stage 2, local people and local societies and local governments start rescue plan with the help of local equipments. In stage 3, people we get help from international level and national level, and we start the whole rescue and relief plan. So, being a robotics student, I innovate a robot which have solution of all these problems. Now let's check its practical.